Hello, hello, alternative med students. I just wanted to touch base with you as we are wrapping up this 8 week semester already, which is exciting but also sad because I think most of you have really enjoyed this class based on your reflection papers. So that's pretty exciting. I hope you use the tools that you've gained throughout the semester in everyday life, which is always kind of exciting when I can see you guys apply things that you've learned. I wanted to talk to you about your final project because that's coming up here pretty fast. So if you go over to the module section, I've actually opened the final weeks. I know you're working on week 6 right now, but I've also opened the last module, the final weeks module. You have a bunch of information in here about the library resources. So our real big emphasis on these last couple weeks is going to be finding reliable information within the alternative med world, and also you focusing on a specific topic that interests you for your final project. Again, the last day of this course is the 28th of October. That's a Friday. So just make sure you're getting things turned in by then. So I want to talk to you a little bit about your final project. So if you click on that final project button, you are going to have a lot of options for your final project. It's endless, the possibilities of what your topic choice could be. I want you to pick something that you're super interested in. Okay, so you're going to be using the library resources. I have worked with the librarians to provide you with some tools that'll be essential in helping you be successful on your final project. So if you click on these reliable websites over here, you'll be taken to the health sciences section at the GCC library webpage. Specifically, this focuses on nutrition and fitness. But again, I've worked with the librarians to kind of get the alternative therapies section in there, which is exciting, and reliable websites there for the alternative therapies. So if you click on reliable websites, you'll see the National Institute for Health website, and they actually have a subsection, the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, so the NCCIH. So that's where you're going to be picking your topic choice from. You can click on the top one, or you can click on the second one. It'll take you to both to the same pages. So here you'll see health topics listed from A to Z. You are going to choose one of these topics and dive deeper and do some more research on it. So please pick a topic that is interested to you. I know a lot of you were super interested in acupuncture. That's obviously one of the options. A lot of you have anxiety issues or have noticed that you've had anxiety based after COVID and kind of being stuck in your house. So anxiety, that's another option for you. You will really be able to pick anything that's interesting to you. So let's just pick, I know a lot of you really enjoyed the yoga section. That's also an option. Tai Chi, that's also an option. So let's just pick Tai Chi because it's here. All right. So if I pick the Tai Chi as my topic choice, okay, the first thing I'm going to want to do is make sure that I understand what Tai Chi is and I define my topic. So if we go back to your final project has to include the definition of your topic, alternative medicine or complementary medicine, and how that plays into your topic. And then you're going to do several ideas, topics within your topic choice. And you're going to just explore that. Your final paper is going to be somewhere between 3 and 5 pages. You're going to use MLA style citations. And I want you to make sure that this is something that is relevant to you, that you are interested in, because it's going to be a lot easier to write this paper. Okay. I do have kind of a broad rubric here. So I want you to look after you picked Tai Chi, for example, you're going to define what Tai Chi is in your paper. But then also look at what Tai Chi does for lifestyle for people. So for example, does Tai Chi help with preventing falls. Maybe that would be a topic that I'm like really interested in, so I would dive deeper into that. But how does Tai Chi reduce pain? Maybe I want to look at low back pain. So maybe I choose low back pain as my overarching or my topic choice. And then I look at Tai Chi and yoga and how those affect low back pain. So here's some information about that. There's also on this website, on the NCCIH websites, they have all different types of information. Some things they have is um, they have future research or research that's being funded by them to look more into detail. So here's information about Tai Chi for improving chronic pain management among adults with HIV. If that would be something that would interest you, maybe that's a research article that you go in and you look at. Okay. So there's a bunch of different options for what you're going to choose and how you choose that. Okay. Um, After using the um, NCCIH website. You can also use Medline Plus, which is through the library in CAMON, PubMed. All of these are specific to alternative medicine. And you're going to research your topic more, find a few research articles that support your topic, um, and kind of fill in that information there. Okay. So the big thing I want you to focus on this week in the next little bit is if you go back to the modules section in that final wrap up, you'll see final topic information. And that's just a quiz. I want you to complete your topic choice by the 20th of October. Okay. And so the quiz, I'll just show it to you. It's not really a quiz. It's just really communication between you and I regarding your final project and where your topic choice is so I can help you kind of focus and make sure you're on the right track. So you're going to tell me what your topic choice is. And then you're also going to provide me with a brief outline of your paper. I know you haven't really done heavy research into your paper, but I want you to tell me what your topic choice is. Define your topic for me. Tell me what research you're looking at or where you're thinking of going with this paper. Okay. And then question number 3 is the research or the resources that you plan to use. I don't want you using Google. That's the whole point of this main wrap up section is to find quality research. Okay. The library has a ton of resources for you. That's why we have the how to use the library resources. I have a video for you. The NIH has a Know the Science module that you'll be working on. So really making sure that you are using quality resources in order to explore alternative medicine. Okay. Google is not scholarly enough for us. Okay. So here's kind of the information about preparing for your final project, about using those library resources. You're also going to focus on the website evaluations, which is in that nutrition and health sciences area about how to evaluate websites. We have the ABC test. We also have the CRAP test. Why we're not really using Wikipedia, why we should be using other quality resources. Okay. So really, after you go through this information, you will have a better understanding of what I'm asking for your final project too. But I want you this week to start thinking about where you want to go or what interested you in this class and where you want to take that final project. Okay. Of course, as always, if you have any questions, send me a message to the inbox. You know I'm quick and we'll be happy to get back with you and communicate with you regarding that. So have a great week and make sure you're working on Module 6, but also start to think about that final project topic. We'll see y'all soon.